This video I will explain how to track daily payments using Google Pay Business Dashboard. The Google Pay Business Dashboard is a built-in screen inside the Google Pay for Business app. It helps business owners to see how much money they received today, to check each customer payment, to track daily, weekly and monthly sales, to keep a digital record of payments. You can think of it as a digital cash register for your shop. Why tracking daily payments is important? Tracking daily payments help you to know how much you earn today, avoid confusion or mistakes, match payments with your sales, run your business more smoothly. You do not need a notebook or calculator. The app does it automatically. You can find the dashboard inside the Google Pay for Business app on the home screen or payment section. You do not need to install anything extra. Now we will see how to track daily payments. Step 1. Open the Google Pay for Business app. Step 2. Go to the Payments or Dashboard section and on the main screen look for Payments, Transactions or Dashboard. This section shows your earnings. Step 3. Check the today's total collection. At the top you will see total amount received today. This is the sum of all payments customers made today. For example, if 5 customers paid you, the dashboard adds all the 5 payments automatically. Step 4. View the transaction list. Below the total, you will see a list of payments. Each entry shows amount received, time of payment, customer name or UPI ID, payment status. This helps you to confirm every payment. Step 5. Tap any payment for details. You can tap on transaction to see transaction ID, date and time, payment method and status. This is useful if customer asks for confirmation. Step 6. Switch between daily, weekly and monthly view. The dashboard allows you to change the time period. You can view today, last 7 days and this month. This helps you to understand your business performance. Now we will see how dashboard helps in daily business. First point, automatic record keeping. Every payment is saved automatically, no manual writing needed. Second point, easy matching with sales. Match each payment with what you sold. Useful for shops and service businesses. Third point, proof of payment. Transaction details act as a payment proof. Helpful during customer disputes. Fourth point, better money control. Know daily income clearly. Helps plan expenses and savings. Important things to remember. Payments shown are already credited to your bank. Dashboard updates almost instantly. Internet connection is required to see the updates. You cannot edit transactions manually. What the dashboard cannot do? It cannot change the payment amounts. It cannot delete transactions. It cannot reverse payments. All payments are final and bank controlled. Is the dashboard safe? Yes, it is safe because it shows read-only information. Payments are protected by UPI security. Only you can access it using your phone lock. The summary is the Google Pay Business Dashboard helps shop owners easily track daily payments, view transaction details, and manage earnings without manual records.